If you've been on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube lately, you've probably seen those jaw-dropping videos of animals diving like professional Olympic athletes. Animals like horses, zebras, and even elephants somersaulting into the water, all while a crowd of cheering fans goes wild in the background. These ultra-realistic, AI-generated animal diving videos are going crazy viral right now. We're talking millions of views, thousands of new followers, and real money being made by the creators behind them. The good thing is that you don't need expensive tools like Google Veo3 to make these videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral Olympic animal diving videos step by step, without Google Veo3 and without needing any fancy equipment. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with AI video tools, I'll break down the process using free or low-cost alternatives that anyone can use. So make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's get started. The first step is crafting the perfect image prompt to generate your stunning animal diving scenes. To make things super easy, I've created a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompt templates. You'll find the link in the description below. Go check it out and start creating. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, give it a like. This really helps the YouTube algorithm share it with more awesome creators like you. Now, let's get back to the video. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the image prompt I've already prepared for you. I've optimized it specifically for the animal diving niche, so it's perfect for creating Olympic-style diving scenes. Now open up ChatGPT, and here's where the magic happens. Tap on the menu and click on the GPT's library. In the search bar, type Animal Diving Image and Prompt Generator. Click on the top result, then hit Start Chat. This custom GPT is trained specifically to help generate unique and highly detailed prompts just for this niche. Once you're inside, paste the prompt you copied earlier and hit enter. The AI will instantly give you a list of vivid, scene-specific prompts, like a giraffe doing a backflip off a diving board into a stadium pool, or a fox diving into Olympic pool mid-air. And if you want even more ideas, just ask ChatGPT to give you more animal diving prompts. It's fast, creative, and completely beginner-friendly. This step sets the stage for generating high-quality visuals that truly capture the imagination, and that's what makes people stop scrolling and start watching. Now that we've got our high-quality image prompts ready, the next step is generating the actual images. And for this, we're going to use Google Image FX. Head over to Image FX. The link is in the description. Sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on Settings and choose your preferred aspect ratio. If you're creating vertical videos for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, choose 9:16. If you're making a landscape video for YouTube, go with 16:9. Next, switch back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt that was generated earlier. Return to Image FX. Paste that prompt into the input box and hit Generate. The AI will start creating a set of 4 stunning images based on your prompt. In just a few seconds, you'll see Olympic-style diving scenes featuring an animal standing on a diving board. Scroll through the results and pick the one that looks the most dynamic and would instantly grab someone's attention mid-scroll. Once you've picked your favorite, download it directly to your device. Now just repeat this process for each of your prompts to build a full collection of eye-catching animal diving images. These images are going to be the visual core of your viral video, so take your time and choose the best ones. The next step is turning our images into videos, and for this, we're going to use Kling AI. Head over to Kling AI and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon and select Image to Video. This will open up Kling's animation interface. Now upload the first animal image you want to animate. While that loads, we'll need a video animation prompt to guide the movement of our animal. Head over to the Google Doc again and copy the video prompt template I provided. Now go to ChatGPT and open a new chat. Paste the prompt in and hit Enter. This prompt is specifically designed to tell ChatGPT to give you a diving animation prompt for any animal you input. For this example, we're going to animate a giraffe. So type in giraffe and hit Enter. ChatGPT will now generate a detailed diving animation prompt tailored for that animal. Copy it. Head back to Kling AI, paste in that animation prompt, and you're almost ready. Make sure sound effects are enabled for extra realism. That background crowd cheering really adds magic. Then go to Settings. If you're using the free plan, set the mode to standard. If you're on a paid plan, switch it to professional for higher quality. Next, set your video duration to either 5 to 10 seconds works great for shorts and reels. Once you're ready, click Generate and Kling AI will start animating your image with cinematic motion and audio. And there it is. Let's preview the result. Wow, that giraffe somersaults into the water like a real Olympic diver. The background crowd sound is on point and the motion looks smooth. Now just repeat the same process for your other images to complete the full video sequence. The next step is creating the perfect background music for our video. For this, we will be using Suno. Head over to Suno and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, click on the music icon. This will take you to the music creation dashboard. Since we don't need vocals or lyrics, just a background soundtrack, make sure to select the instrumental option. Next, go back to ChatGPT and simply ask it to give you a style of music perfect for this video. Then hit enter and ChatGPT will give you a great suggestion. Copy the style of music, then return to Suno and paste it into the music prompt box. Then give your music a title. Once everything is okay, click Create and Suno will start generating your custom soundtrack. In a few moments, you'll see 2 unique tracks based on your prompt. Let's preview them. Sounds great, right? Pick the one that fits your video's mood best and download it to your device. The last step is to bring everything together with editing. And for this, we'll use CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and click on New Project. Import all of the video clips you animated using Kling AI. Once they're loaded in, go to aspect ratio and set it to 16:9 for YouTube, or 9:16 if you're making a short or TikTok. Then stretch your clips to fit the frame perfectly. Next, let's add smooth transitions between each clip to make the video feel more cinematic. Click on Overlay, then explore the wide range of transitions CapCut offers. Choose one that fits your style and click Apply to All, so every clip blends seamlessly. Now let's take things up a notch by adding video effects. Click on Effects, then choose Video Effects and browse through CapCut's effects library. Select your favorite and drag it across the entire timeline. Time to bring in your custom soundtrack. Import the music you created in Suno, then drag it into your timeline. Lower the volume slightly so it enhances the animation without overpowering the crowd sounds and diving action. Once everything's in place, watch your full video from start to finish. If everything looks and sounds good, click Export, then set your resolution to 4K for the best quality and download your final video. And that's it. Let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions you have in the comment section below.